simplest multifunction bread toaster.
Wait, I will put the egg. Shh, don't touch! Okay. It's time to get this one. Ganito po siya pagkukunod. So, dito siya sa kalitan. See? So easy to cook his favorite egg. Wow, what can you say about this? Wow. Welcome. Wow, you like it? Do you like this egg? Huh? Okay, eat. Yung sipon mo. Okay. Go eat. Wipes natin sipon mo.